The Economic Offence Wing of CCB, police in Bangalore detected a network where illegal calls from international numbers were being converted into local calls and being used for activities. 53 SIMBOXes were illegally used and the accused used to defraud telecommunications department. Over 1,900 SIM cards were used in this network. The SIMBOXes were installed in 4 locations in Bagalgunte Main Road area of Bangalore. The police have arrested Sharifuddin, a Kerala-based person, for illegally creating the telephone exchange, placing several mobile SIM cards into electronic devices and converting foreign phone calls into local calls. The calls were being converted into local calls to conduct unauthorized activities posing a threat to national securities. Investigations are on to find out how many people are part of the network.
Economic Offence Wing of Central Crime Branch Police are successful in nabbing one network of illegal telephone exchanges where the international calls coming particularly from Middle East countries were converted into the local GSM call with the help of some local SIM cards and local SIM boxes. So we are successful in catching 53 SIM boxes which has a capacity of 1840 SIM cards, and we are able to seize more than 1900 SIM cards in this operation, and we have conducted the raids at 4 places in Bagalgunte police station limits of Bangalore city, and one person has been arrested by our team. He has been produced and 10 days custody has been taken, and further investigation is going on.
Sir, how did CCB reach to this person, this network?
Yeah, there was some information from other agency. Based upon that information, we started working, and over a period of last 4-5 days and a week, we are able to successfully nab the accused, who is a major kingpin, who is running all these 4 places, this network, and now the further investigation has been taken up.
There are reports also that Pakistan spy agency has used this network. What about that, sir?
Yeah, there are some reports by other agencies, but of course we can't comment on that as these are, because this is the just now investigation has been taken up, and after further investigation this issue will be a subject matter of investigation. Yeah, sure. We are looking at all the possibilities and whether this particular network is it a standalone network, how it is connected with any other network in the past, any other accused who have been arrested in the past, or what are their outreaches, what kind of calls were particularly received through this network. All these issues are under subject matter of investigation as of now.
And what about the SIM cards? Has he purchased SIM cards from Karnataka or a different state?
Yeah, as per, not in this case, because this case we have just taken up, we are unable to verify till now whether these SIM cards are local or they are the other state SIM cards. But as per our experience in other cases, this generally the outstation or other state SIM cards have been used in earlier cases. But this case, of course, we have taken up this issue. We will be very short. We are going to know whether these are the local SIM cards or they are any other state SIM card.
And how was this network working, sir?
Once the calls have been through, it doesn't require a lot of manpower or a lot of maintenance actually. It keeps on going on its own. And how the traffic was diverted to this particular network is a subject matter of investigation. And who are the persons involved, what are the links with Kerala, who are the localites in Bangalore city, who are a part of this network also, we are examining as of now.